Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. The Queen of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, Three of Wands, Five of Wands, King of Cups, and the King of Swords, the Fool, and the High Priestess. Bottom card natin, Shadow Side or Devil Capricorn. So, tingnan natin sa signs and symbol cards. So, may mga signs tayo dito ng Aries and Pisces and Capricorn. So, itong taong to, iniisip ka niya, a long distance person. Kaso nahihiya siyang lumapit sa'yo dahil sa mga conflicts. Dahil lang nga rin siguro sa long distance situation. Gusto niya mag-take ng risk sa relationship, sa connection na to. Pero pinangungunahan siya ng takot. We have telephone, butterfly, snake, traffic lights, sunglasses, and teddy bear. Diamond bottom card. So, gustong-gusto ka ng taong to. Pero may mga snake people sa paligid niya na sumasabotahe sa connection nyo. Ayan, so maring tumawag siya sa'yo unexpectedly. And nakamasid lang siya, keeping tabs on you. So marami nagbago sa kanya ngayon. Tingnan natin. Ayun o, tingnan mo naman. I watch you from afar. So itong taon to, pinagmamasan ka sa malayo. And I want you back. I regret rejecting you. It's a disaster. Patiently waiting. I will fight for you. Honesty is the best policy. So gusto niya ipaglaban tong connection pero naduwag siya. I'm honest to you. You're my inspiration. So, tingnan natin. More messages. I love you. So, mahal ko nitong taong to. Pero sinabotahe ng mga snake energy or yung mga tao na nagmanipula sa kanya. It's time for me to heal now. I wish I had treated you better. So many things remind me of you. I wonder if you're happy without me. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. I replay our conversations over and over. So, tingnan mo naman, ayaw niyang i-let go ka, pero wala, parang no choice. Or na-brainwash siya ng mga tao sa paligid niya. Not available. So, may pinili siyang iba. Over you, na pinagsisisihan niya ngayon. We need to let each other go. So, tingnan natin sa initials. Letter N, V, Z, O, X, T, Y, P, R, W, E, A. Bottom card natin, S, So, tingnan natin anong message ng Archangels. Sensitivity by Archangel Haniel. You're extra sensitive to energies and emotions right now. Honor yourself and your feelings. So, nararamdaman mo rin tong taong to. Nararadar mo yung energy niya. Tingnan natin sa blue card. Past life lover. Engagement. Marriage. So, for some of you, parang may munti ka ng ikasal pero may umatras. Ganun. May umatras. Kasi parang siguro yung pinili niya, hindi niya makita sa future niya na yun talaga yung makakasama niya. Kaya ang lakas ng energy na parang umatras siya. Tingnan natin yung general signs, messages. Ayan o. Long distance. Province. April. Smart. Caring. Popular. Number 8. Ito yung mga plastic persons around them na sumabotahe sa connection nyo. June 7 and November. Sarcastic. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Gorgeous, very loyal. Maring twin flame pa kayo, yan o. Number 9, July. Kind-hearted. Attractive. September. Once is fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Very serious. February, fire sign, another fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Talented, October. Mirror souls pa kayo. 10, maring completion, confusing, and number 4. Last card, number 1. So, yung nasa ilalim, shy at first. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.